Hey man, shout out to Press and shit, you feel what I'm saying? That's the dude who gave me this video idea shit, you feel what I'm saying? It just took me like 7 million years to finish editing. Man, shut your flip some of this Toho, you feel what I'm saying? They ain't know about this shit. Ain't know nothing about this shit. This fucking bitches. So yeah, just fucking YouTube that and fucking convert that shit. Just put that bitch in Edison. So now I got all this woody woo shit. All I know is I'm gonna do this shit dirty, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I'm a dirty guy. You know, the first shit I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch that shit and it's like put a tempo on this shit, whatever fuck it. You know, the 70 instead of the 140, whatever, I can do that shit. That shit cool, but I ain't done with it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it with the reverb and a gross beat combo. Especially when you're making a moody beats. I'll tell you about this shit. All I gotta do is say less and just play that shit. Yeah, you know that shit sounds like real lush and shit. And it's cool, but I'm trying to do some interpolation, you feel me? Because I'm starting to hear some of these new melodies in my head and shit. All I know is just how this shit is drawn out. So it's like ascending and descending and shit. So I just took inspiration from that shit. Hey man, that's how it is. It might be a lot of shit, but as long as you EQ all that shit out, whatever sounds good. If it doesn't sound good, I don't even fucking care anyways. And for the drums, I'm articulated, do shit, you feel what I'm saying? I would've liked to use this phantom footage, but and the shit I made, I wasn't really fucking with it like that, so maybe on a second beat, we'll see that shit. Alright, so that shit done, but I'm gonna just put an acapella on it for the road just because fuck it. All I can say is that, you know what I'm saying, I be hearing some people be making these remixes and shit. You gotta pitch the vocal. Even if you're just rapping, you gotta pitch the vocals. There be some pitches and shit. So I'm gonna make another beat right quick. Fuck it, I'm already here. Ain't gonna spend too much time on this one though, cause I got a life to live. So with this shit, it's I'm gonna be, you know, doing the YouTube shit again, but it's all ambience. So it's like, how did I tempo sync this shit since it's ambience? I don't feel like explaining it. and I put like all these melodies and shit on top of it, right? How'd I figure out the pitch and all that shit? I don't feel like explaining that shit either. Top this shit off again on the cherry on top, you feel me? I'll put another acapella on this shit.
I be smoking on a lot of kill, a lot of kill, a lot of kill, I hate with this kill,
and that's how you make some grown man music, you know what I'm saying? None of these rockabye baby goo goo gaga ass fucking beats and shit.
I be smoking on a lot of kill, a lot of kill, a lot of kill, I hate with this kill, disrespect, my niggas, cause real friends are